All right, guys, looks like the market is open. This isn't towards the top, is it? AYRO. I'm assuming another EV company. Up a few percent. Riot. Up a few more percent today. Crypto's on fire lately, ladies and gentlemen. Tesla's price target was raised by somebody, puts them up a couple percent, although still under, generally under 500. I guess we're technically over 500, but we'll see how that goes. All right, Tesla gonna go for it here, guys. Let's see. 507. How's our volume? Let's watch this volume kick in. See how we compare to the past couple of days. Let's find out what we get. All right, NIO up 4%. Roku, Tesla, GBTC, Trade Desk. Man, NIO. I don't know. That's FUV. Freaking full of, there's NIO. Man, this thing just will not give up. Absolutely will not give up. I wonder if this is going to double again. $100 NIO seems crazy. But then again, so does NIO withholding that selling day the other day. They're not giving this up, man. I think these institutions are falling behind on the EV bandwagon, and they're just not willing to give up any ground. Oh, Tesla just jumped up 4%. 510, new high. New high on Tesla, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Now, just do that about, I don't know, 4,000 more times over the next, several 5-minute candles, and we'll be good to go. That would be great. NIO, GBTC having a good day. EXPI, a lot not on our list today, at least highlighted. Snap's up 6%. Up on, I'm assuming, some news. Launch a Spotlight, a new entertainment platform for user-generated content within Snapchat. Isn't that kind of already what they do? I don't know. But Snap gapping up today. I'm not sure if that's a viable gap up. AMC up 10%. Trying to break a low range. I wonder how our Boeing and all these other ones are doing. Pretty good right there. Nothing great though. Actually, Xpev a little more interesting. So I took that Xpev trade yesterday with my $100. I made it $670. I sold right before the breakdown of this trend line. It was topping up here, and I was up that tenfold that we were targeting, and then I sold half of it. Then I sold half over here. But continuing here on the daily time frame, my option expired yesterday, so that was the definition of a day trade. But I would argue a pretty good one. Pretty good day trade right there. Don't do that often at all. It's pretty rare. I think I've done it twice. All right, Roku. Tesla up at 5. Is that even higher? Tesla gone, ladies and gentlemen. All right, look at our volume. We talked about that 5-minute volume. Still have, looks like a little under a minute and a half to go. Pretty good volume this morning on a Monday morning. Definitely beating Friday's volume, which, if you look at the daily volume on Friday, it didn't seem like that hard to do. So today it seems like it'll be another good volume day for Tesla. I don't know. Are we going to do another 10%? Seems a little out of the ordinary if that's the case, which would be fine with me. I'm not gonna look a gift horse on the mouse, if you will. Hey, what's up, Rob? Took the week off. Thanks, Rob. It's a good time. You know what? It's fun in here. I enjoy it a lot, and at the same time, we're trying to better our lives. This is work we can all get behind. So you got a passion for it, Rob. This ain't getting up early. This is an opportunity, son. Although I have a feeling it's one of those opportunities that never goes away. So you'll be doing it all of the time. All right, GDLC finally getting up this morning, up 8%. Nice. Because the whole crypto market is kind of gone. It's going up. I mean, XRP's up a bunch. Like over the weekend, it's got to be 50% probably more over the weekend. I don't know exactly, but it's up huge. ETH is getting going, Litecoin's getting going. So this GDLC should be up a lot more than 8%. This is pretty muted in my opinion. Yeah, I wouldn't mind. Yeah, somehow I don't have any of this. I thought I had some, but I must have ditched it at some point to buy something else. Yeah, I don't have it anymore. Weird. Speaking of stuff I have and don't have, Uber took me for a freaking ride on Friday. Yeah, I know, right, Rob? Very thin on cash. I have like next to nothing. Percentage invest, it doesn't tell me my percentage cash, but actually, quick math would be less than 1%, much less than 1%. Hey, what's up, Topher? Yeah, alt season. Yeah, BTC rally. Now it's alt's turns. Yeah, it's been a pretty good one so far. Looks like it's going to continue. We're waiting for Bitcoin to stagnate or run, and it's stagnating, so the alts are going. All right. So if AYRO, I'm assuming another EV. Still not quite sure what it is. It's up, our Pete. You gonna BitConnect us? I bet you that guy ever goes to a job interview. That's all they ask him to do. Well, our position that we're hiring for has changed slightly. All I want you to do is yell BitConnect, extend it out drastically, and yell it at the top of your lungs every morning when we get into the office. That's what our new business model is. Thank you very much. I think that's that guy's future. Morning, Ellie. How you doing? GLDC 9%, Arroyo, AMC. For some reason, someone bought a movie ticket, and if I don't know, AMC is still pretty beaten down, like really beaten down. I'm not sure. That's a weird one. Xpev up 6%. Tesla. All right, Tesla up 5. Tesla gone. Come on, give me new high on my account. All right, technically it's a new high. Technically it's a new high. So even though a couple days ago, by like $1,000, it's a new high. So it's barely new. No, I'm not actually, Ellie. This trade is just beginning, so I'm not really. I'm happy. Don't get me wrong, but I'm not like flying through the moon and something like that. Not yet. Each new milestone, I'm sure I'll get a little bit more like a schoolgirl. But no, dude, this thing is just starting. I mean, we're talking my target was $900. So this thing is just, even if it gets to 750, just it depends how it gets there, especially with options. But can I please fly through the moon like I did the other day on chat in Slack chat room? That I don't even know what I would have done if I was live with you guys. I talk about flying through the moon. When that S&P announcement came up, I don't know if you guys it was in stocks. And I did it to Ellie too because I was talking to Ellie at the time. I'll show you guys what I did. It's gonna be up there a little bit though. Nice to have the chat room really popping again. I do have to say. So I only did a little bit, but so B Dub posted this. Fuck, why am I not long Tesla right now? And I'm like, that's a crazy Elon face. Then I read the title. I'm like, it says Tesla soars on inclusion. I'm like, oh, shit. And then I just go nuts. And I just pound on my keyboard just randomly because I couldn't even type. I couldn't even type. I was so excited. So excited. Because I put that trade on early, so I was nervous. I was pretty nervous. I mean, I was pretty sure, but I was still pretty nervous. I didn't know what was going to move the stock up. I didn't think news was going to come out. I just thought it was going to go. And then news came out. I'm like, now it's certain. Now it's almost certain. Then I'm at least going to have an excellent trade, even if it doesn't hit my target. But I was like running around the house. I was scaring my kids. It's funny. It's hilarious. It's a massive trade. It is a massive trade. I showed it to you guys. Ellie with like XRP 50% up. Yeah, I mean, XRP, man. Shoo, one hell of a weekend. One hell of a weekend. ETH starting to get up there too, but XRP really took it, and is still kind of running with it. We had it, we had it with a couple days ago. We said if it undercuts this is kind of your level. We had this trend line, which looks like, I think I may have adjusted that. Maybe I didn't. I'm not sure if I did adjust that, but working perfectly with Pi method. I mean, just brilliant stuff out of XRP. ETH rallying really good. I mean, everything's rallying really good. You got freaking XTZ down here up 13% today. So yeah, altcoins are doing fantastic. Bitcoin stagnating, but definitely not falling away. Definitely not falling away. Things are looking great. Bitcoin by 20. Yeah, I mean, yeah, for sure, RP. They may pass that, like by a long shot. It's definitely possible. I mean, we're seeing today in the Power Hour. I think I'm going to go back over some 2017 charts. Oh, Street Sweeper's coming by today. Ooh, guys, I might have to pause the stream for about five or so minutes. Um, there's an opportunity right there. A bounce from 21K back to 16K. Yeah, right. I'm sure it'll do that too. I'm sure it'll do all of it. Whatever you guys say, it's gonna happen. All right, guys, give me about 5 minutes or so. We're just gonna watch Tesla up here, and I guess Nasdaq's doing good, up 0.5%, holding that nice tight action here really well. Really enjoying the Nasdaq. I think it's just gonna blast off at some point. But yeah, guys, hold on a few minutes. I gotta do something, and I'll be right back. All right, so I'll never do that again. Oh, way too long. All right. Tesla on the way up. 520, 515 now. AYRO 28. Let's look at our EV list, guys. Electric Revolution. Blink. My goodness. What is their market cap now? Man. There's a street sweeper going by. And my yard was a mess. Especially my sidewalks, so I swept my sidewalks. And then I'm in the middle of it. I'm like, I'm not even sure who's coming down my damn street today. And I'm sitting here thinking, I could just do this later. It's actually not that bad. And then I wouldn't be interrupting my stream. So, won't be doing that again. You know, sometimes I run off and do onesie, twosies. That was just too much. Let's look at Blink. BLNK, right? All right, still tiny market cap, 600 million market cap. Sales are 4 million. My goodness, that's nothing. I just wonder if they're getting like 10 times the orders that they were getting a few months ago. AMD moving. Let's check it out. How much moving? Oh, wow, nice pop. Yeah. That's a good one. All right, it broke a high. Of course, it broke a little high right there, too. So, these are interesting situations. Yeah, this thing is on the verge of going. It doesn't have to, though. Don't really even have any pocket pivots on the table. Maybe a 5-day pocket pivot or something. But moving average is converging. Looks like we're slowly trying to work its higher than 10 days up. Looks like all the other moving averages are like at the same level. There's the 10. There's the 10. There's the 50. There's the 20. So they're almost the same. Nice job, Ellie. You and me too, brother. Both of us, man. It's amazing. Rob, say you're at an all-time high today too, and then we're all gonna go get some cake later. Rob's got the week off. He can deliver it. But yeah, we'll all get some cake. Cake's amazing. Tesla and MIO, yes sir. All right, look at LI. Wow, that's still almost loosely buyable right there too. You too, Topher? Are you at all-time high too? Dude, that's amazing. You guys are doing great. FUV. All right, Tesla. Hillian. We'll take it. We'll take it as a win, Rob. Start delivering cake. Let's do it. Actually, what we should do is we should just meet at Rob's house. Because where do you live, Rob, anyways? I know you talk about like you go to, are you in LA or San Diego or somewhere in between there? Where are you, anyways? Because you're like halfway between Ellie and me. You talked to the one guy who traded NAO from 8 to 40? That's okay. Near Rivers, that doesn't say a lot. Oh, Riverside. Oh, okay. Riverside. So that's yeah. I grew up in Tustin. That's where I grew up. So I don't think Riverside's too far from Tustin, so just south of LA there. Yeah, you're basically right in between Ellie and I. Pretty cool. Yeah, GM I put in the EV list because GM has been running like an EV. And yeah, they're so low. which is so high. Still doesn't look done. PLL definitely taking a break. WWR. What are these ones again? What's WWR do? Yeah, if anything, we could meet up in LA, but I think I'm gonna have Rob pick me up because I don't think it's fair he doesn't have to drive that far. Rob, you want to come get me real quick, and then we'll have some cake. What's a good place by your house? That's awesome. Lazy. I got a Tesla. I'll have my car be lazy for me. I don't actually have a Tesla, but rent your. Yeah, I would rent a Tesla. I definitely would rent a Tesla. I did that already. I think I told you guys about that. Yeah, we rented. I rented it. We had a a trip down to Yuma to go help a friend out, and we rented a Model 3. It's great. Your brother's brother-in-law. Your brother's brother-in-law. Okay, those. Yeah, I always get confused by those. All right, Tesla 520. It looks like almost 6% up. Bam, mother. On the way, guys. Oh, does he live near me? Don't tell him where I live. I don't want no weirdos driving up to my house and then, coming in, then going back out, and then coming back in the next day before they leave again. It's weirdos. All right, Ellie got the joke. I was hoping you were going to get that joke. Otherwise, it would have sounded really weird. I tried to make it subtle. I was going to say people coming from New York. I'm like, no, he lives near my house. Yeah, no, I'm sure I did. But as we all know, I'm the weirdest person here, and I'm perfectly okay with that. I've sounded weird for a very long time. All right, so Electric Revolution obviously going hot. Let's go see what else is going on. Actionable list. Riot's up. 16% today, Fred. I do have some Riot. I actually do have some Riot. That's my only kind of crypto I have in my stock accounts, which seems very weird to me. Like, it still seems weird to me. I'm looking at this morning. So I'll take a 16% on a Riot. And, oh, dude, Rob, I loosely agree with you. Look at the setup on the NASDAQ, man. I'm with you, man. It is kind of due to have one. I think it's gonna do it. F Fubo? I don't think I have that one. Oh, geez. This thing hasn't even skied yet, guys. Look at it. There's the prior high. It hasn't skied yet at all. As a matter of fact, what is this one? Oh, Fubo TV. Price target to 30. All right, I thought this was an EV for a second there because everything's an EV. All right, but yeah, good day today. Looks like AMD up 3%. Holding up there good so far. All right, my AMD's even up pretty good. Yes, doing good. I don't think so. My performance for the year doesn't update in real time. Yeah, I got Uber. It boned me pretty big. I'm not sure what oh, it's trying to come back today. Good. It boned me yesterday or Friday. I entered Uber, and by the end, I was down 36%. Now I'm only down 20%. So a little bit better. Every half hour. Mine updates every like at the end of the day. So my performance today was the same it was on Friday, and I'm like, dude, you're bigger than that. Our day gain today is 9% on my account, which is ridiculous. Like the whole account. That's so funny. Anyway, yeah, my year over year performance is just ridiculous, especially on this little Tesla run here. I've only done 61% in 3 months. Some lazy bullshit, Randy. You got to get better. You got to get better. It's my 3-year performance. Pretty good. You know, it's like so yeah. I look at these guys saying that they do like 14,000 or no, I'm looking at a book right now, the O'Neill Disciples book. They did 18,000%. I think that was over 2 years. I'm like, geez, like we're doing really good. What the hell does 18,000% even feel like? I don't even know if I could. The emotional center of my brain would be able to process 18,000%, and that was only over 2 years. It's way better than me, which means we have a lot of work to do. Come on, guys, we gotta do like 18,000%. We gotta beat this book. Of course, obviously, that's the best run they've ever done of all time, and during the bubble. Yeah, ask them to get out of BlackRock mutual funds. Yeah, of course, absolutely. Hell yeah, I like that. Get rid of that garbage. Think that's a new high for Unity. Yes, it is. Unity was really tightening up. There's actually a small cup and handle here on Unity too. It looks like it's gone. It's gone. We talked about this down here, and then now it is up here. I had an option on it at one point. I knew I wasn't going to hold it, and I didn't. Sometimes you just know your weaknesses. That's one of mine. All right, Tesla. Another new high for Tesla. 8% in 4 years. Good God, man. That's not bueno. We could do 8% in a quarter, half asleep. You're like, I'm just going to manage your portfolio at between 3 and 3:15 in the morning, and then I'll beat that. I'll beat that performance. GDLC, 13%. Breaking that triangle right there, guys. This one's going for it. 50%. Xpev, 12%. I mean, you can't SMU Tesla. Come on, that's the fucking trade of the year, man. No, you have to do Tesla. It's not volatile. How's Tesla volatile? It goes up too much? Look at this daily chart. The minus coronavirus, which everything was volatile with coronavirus. I mean, so you have a crazy parabolic move, then another move, and now we're starting another move. This is just starting. This is absolutely just starting. How can you not tell them to go into Tesla? It's traced out in Sharpie already. I'm just getting ready, just preparing. And what's VU? The fuck is VU? What is VU? Oh, it's a Vanguard S&P ETF. Oh, okay. Well, if you're gonna go Amazon and Apple, no, man, I would do. I would definitely do Tesla. This isn't some. This isn't some fly by night stock. This isn't. This isn't. You're not asking them to invest in Blink or FUV. I mean, those ones that are up, 400% in the past couple of weeks. Obviously, you don't invest in those. Tesla's just starting a breakout, and it's worth like $500 billion. It is a huge blue chip company that is dominating the next 10 years. Well, only convince them they're wrong because they're stupid. Hold on, I gotta go scare birds. All right, I'm back. We put grass seed down so the freaking birds are murdering my lawn. Yeah, I don't mind full volatile. I mean, look, it's if you want to tell them, I don't know what preconceived notions about Tesla. I basically everyone that was doubting Tesla that I've talked to either placated me to shut me up or I reversed their position on Tesla. It's a no brainer once you put the numbers in front of someone's face. It's just a no brainer. And if they're not going to listen to you about Tesla, why would they listen to you about anything? You know, it's one of the easiest cases in the world for a bullish stock. Like it's just right in front of everyone's face. I don't see anyway. These are the safest gains in the market, in my opinion, is Tesla. There's literally nothing. Yeah, I don't think there's anything. I really don't. If one of their factories blows up or something, like if Fremont blows up, maybe that would be really bad. But if yeah, I really don't see too much. I really don't see too much. It's just it's too deep now. It's too deep now. It's too big. Too big to fail. KG KG. Some pays with that. Yeah. Excuse me, waiter. Yes. Can I get some KG side of pays, and then let's do some PLL as an appetizer. Okay. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. All right. Right. Going for it. IVR for dessert. How's everybody at IVR doing? They were actually rallying the other day. I was actually thinking about buying them. Believe it or not. I don't have any cash though. I guess I could get some cash. I could probably ditch my stupid Uber trade, which will likely work out. Yeah, it's actually not looking too bad today. Still down 22% in the stupid thing. Pissing me off. Square and Shopify? Square's not bad. And Shopify, nice base building in Shopify. Looks like it may want to go down and we'll see if it'll touch the 200-day moving average. Um, yeah, I'm not mad at all at Shopify. It's not. I'm not sure it's ready for prime time though. It had its COVID run up here. Now it's been basing for the past couple of months. Yeah, it's definitely worth looking at, keeping an eye on. Think D Dog's ready to go? Think so? I don't know about go. I think it may put in what would appear to be a head and shoulders, although I'm not sure it's going to actually go full head and shoulders route and go down. Damn kids. Hold on a minute. All right. All right, I got to go in a bit, guys. 8:10. Got to get ready for crypto stuff. But market's doing good today. It looks like the NASDAQ is actually pulling in. It was up 0.5. Now it's only up 0.1. Another little update here for Tesla. NIO still holding very strong. I mean, absolutely. I don't know a model book stock with this particular scenario, but I would argue it'd be a pretty bullish one. Xpev still doing good. GDLC rising with crypto. I don't know why this is so beaten down. It could be a comeback kid, but I don't know. I think the word would have to spread about it pretty quick, and then it would probably rocket up as it did spread around. Riot doing good. So your cryptos and EVs are still leading the way, and I think that's going to be the thing for a while now. AMD not doing too bad up here. Looks like stalling a little bit. I kind of almost want to take my little AMD profit and run then. Yeah. So Roku, LPLA. So that's about it, guys. I mean, it's kind of, a couple sectors are running. Fortunately, it's the sectors that we are involved with the most. So there you go. All right, guys. I got to bounce. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day.